Hi there, so I have less than 2 minutes to show you how you can post form data into your test scenario. Let's go. So let's get my sample project right here where to start, I will just copy this feature. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, all right. So then I will update the information here real quick. So post form data. That's gonna be a post, and what I will do is to add the statement and the body form. All right. Hello and world. All right. So now if I try to test this, I should have a 404 because the endpoint does not exist. Yeah, correct. As you can see, the status is failing. So now let's code our feature. So first I will import my middleware. So that's something I have. Then I will create the post, and inside my response I will just take the request body, so the form data, and send it in the response. All right, so let me do an npm test. All good, it passed. So let's do a npm run happy just to look at the nice dashboard. All right, so we have it here. So we post, and right here we have the data that has been posted. So we can also look at the detail where we can see the form data posted. All right, so I hope you enjoy it. I see you in the next one.